Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're going to look at 3 things we love about the Zanussi FanCook double oven. It gives you the ideal cooking conditions, cooking multiple dishes is a breeze, and it helps you get your timings spot on. Now I'm going to head over to the lab where we've got one set up so we can have a look in some more detail. You can place your trays anywhere you want in this oven and enjoy perfectly cooked results. As you can see, I have a tray on each shelf and we're going to take them out in a minute and have a look at the results. This gives you the optimal cooking conditions to make sure that everything is cooked evenly and at the same time. It achieves this consistency by combining an efficient fan and heating element to circulate hot air around the oven, meaning that everything that you eat is cooked thoroughly. So these have cooled down a little bit, and as you can see, we have that lovely golden crust. And if I do the ultimate test, a lovely gooey cheese pull. Now we've got that across every tray in there because of that even cooking. When it comes to cooking those family dinners, you're gonna save yourself loads of time and get their meals served right away, even if you're having something separate to what your kids are having. This oven has 2 separate cavities which you can control independently of each other, and that extra cooking space is gonna save you loads of time. It also helps you get your timings right. There's no need to set timers on your phone or on your smart home devices to keep track of your cooking progress. Just use these handy touch controls and use the easy to read LED screen. So if you'd like more info on the Zanussi FanCook double oven, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.